Okay, check it out, y'all. I got a new camera, so I'm gonna take it with me today on the morning walk. We're gonna just do a little practice with the camera, see how it works, and maybe try to shoot a little video for some B-roll for other videos, and I'll put it all into a fun little video, show you all what my morning walk looks like. We'll just call this Life in St. Thomas. Show you what a day in the life looks like. This is what I do every morning. Let's hit it. Hey, thanks for coming by the How to Beach channel. I'm gonna be bringing you videos about beach tips, beach hacks, everything about the beach. How to Beach. that's it. That's what I see on my morning walk every day. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm a little sweaty. I got a late start. It was like 9:30 when I started. So it's like almost 10:30 now. It's like probably 90 degrees out there. But that's just a little look into my walk I do every morning, a little look into my life. If you thought this was fun, if you like seeing Sapphire Beach, hit that like button down there and be sure you subscribe. And if you're going to subscribe, ring the little bell so you know every time I put out a new video how to beach.